Welcome to video number 276 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video, you can learn two important phrases using the words unless and if only. Example, unless you eat less, you cannot lose weight. If only you would eat less, you could lose weight. These two words are quite often used in Tamil. Unless you eat less, you cannot lose weight. நீ கம்மியா சாப்பிட்டாலே ஒழிய எடையை கம்மி பண்ண முடியாது. It will be useful for you to learn the if statement or phrase because sapita is if eaten, and that helps you learn the phrase சாப்பிட்டாலே ஒழிய unless eaten. If eaten is sapita and unless eaten is sapitale ஒழிய. You add that le ஒழிய. Check the video number 63 and 64 to learn the if phrase, which is another important phrase for you to learn. You can also click on top right to go straight to the video. If only or only if you would eat less, you could lose weight. நீ கம்மியா சாப்பிட்டா மட்டும்தான் எடையை கம்மி பண்ண முடியும். நீ கம்மியா சாப்பிட்டா மட்டும்தான் எடையை கம்மி பண்ண முடியும். Unless the management changes, nothing will change. Management மாறினாலே ஒழிய எதுவும் மாறாது. Management மாறினாலே ஒழிய எதுவும் மாறாது. Only if the management changes, certain or something would change. Management மாறினா மட்டும்தான் ஏதாவது மாறும். Management மாறினா மட்டும்தான் ஏதாவது மாறும். Now, these are additional phrases for you to understand. Unless I go, நான் போனாலே ஒழிய. Only if I go, நான் போனா மட்டும்தான். Unless it rains, மழை பெஞ்சாலே ஒழிய. Only if it rains, மழை பெஞ்சா மட்டும்தான். You can try to complete these phrases and write them in the comment. Please try to translate these two phrases as well based on what you learned now. Unless you ask him, there wouldn't be a reply or he wouldn't reply. Only if you ask him would there be a reply. How about this phrase? Unless you knead the dough well, you won't get soft chapatis. Only if you knead the dough well, you will get soft chapatis. Or how about completing this thumbnail phrase? Unless you kick him out, blah blah blah. You can try to complete that.
Sa